After over a year of daily use with my Samsung Tab S9, I've gotten to know this device inside and out. What started as an exciting upgrade in August of 2023 has become my constant companion. Join me as I share my candid thoughts on what makes this tablet shine and where it could use some improvement. This is not just another review. It's a real-world perspective from someone who's made this device part of their daily life. Cheers from Sweden and welcome to my channel. I post videos about being proactive on your Samsung devices, so if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe for more. My journey with Samsung tablets began unexpectedly in early 2020 with the Tab S6. While I can't pinpoint exactly what drew me to Samsung, that first tablet sparked a loyalty that's led me to own 5 different Galaxy tablets over the years. When Samsung announced the Tab S9, they sweetened the deal with an attractive trade-in offer for older models. It was the perfect opportunity to bid farewell to my trusted Tab S6 and embrace the latest flagship in 2023. Looking back, that upgrade decision couldn't have been better. The Tab S9 has proven itself to be one of the finest tablets I've ever owned. The Tab S9 11-inch form factor hits a sweet spot for me on my Galaxy tablets and my daily tasks. As an e-reader, it feels just right. Substantial enough to display content clearly while remaining comfortably to hold. At just 500 grams, roughly over 1 pound, it's remarkable lightweight, making it ideal for extended reading sessions and taking handwritten notes in Samsung Notes, for instance. In fact, this tablet has become so integral in my workflow that I manage most of my YouTube channel's content creation right from it. From script writing to planning shot lists, the S9 handles it all. However, there is one scenario where the standard S9 dimensions shows their limitations. Typing with a keyboard case. For these tasks, I find myself wishing for the external real estate of the Samsung Tab Plus models, as things can feel a bit confined on the 11-inch screen. Gaming on the Tab S9 might not be my primary use, but at the age of 50, I found my perfect gaming sweet spot with 3 favorite titles. SimCity is one of them. While they may not be pushing the tablet's powerful hardware to its limits, they can run flawlessly. And really, that's all that matters. The S9 handles my modest gaming needs without breaking a sweat. Battery life on the Tab S9 is impressively robust, especially considering I have enabled the Protect Battery feature, which caps charging at 80% to preserve long-term battery health. During typical work days focused on Obsidian, my go-to note-taking app, I consistently get 8 to 9 hours of productive use on a single charge. This battery performance is even more notable when you consider I'm not even utilizing the full 100% charge capacity. When it comes to drawbacks, the Tab S9 has remarkable few, though they all stem from a single source: the 11-inch screen size. This becomes most apparent in two specific scenarios. First, while using the new DeX mode, the display can feel somewhat confined for serious multitasking. Second, when paired with my favorite accessory, the Doqo maglev keyboard, the compact dimensions make for a slightly cramped typing experience. It's interesting that what makes the tablet perfect for most users, its portable 11-inch form factor, becomes its main limitation in these particular situations. The eternal question whether a tablet can fully replace a traditional computer isn't as straightforward as it might seem. While tablets has become increasingly capable, the answer really depends on your specific needs. Take my situation, for example. As a wedding photographer, I rely heavily on the desktop version of Lightroom to process thousands of photos efficiently. Something that just isn't possible on a mobile platform yet. But that's my specific use case. For many users, a powerful tablet like the S9 can absolutely serve as their primary computing device. The key isn't whether tablets can replace computers for everyone, but whether they can replace computers for you. It all comes down to understanding your own workflow and requirements. One of Samsung's standout feature is DeX mode, a desktop-style interface that transforms how you can use your tablet. When I connect my S9 to my 32-inch smart monitor M8, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities on that crisp 4K display. While you are still working with Android apps, many are optimized to take full advantage of the larger screen real estate. And for those apps who has not caught up with DeX optimization, no problem, they run perfectly fine in smaller windows instead. Problem solved. Or as they say, nemas problemas. The beauty of DeX lies in how it bridges the gap between tablet convenience and desktop functionality. It's like having the best of both worlds at your fingertips. Accessories are the key to unlock the full potential of the Tab S9, and I have amazed the collection of go-to add-ons. Chief among them is the Doqo maglev keyboard. While the placement of the power button could use some refinement, this keyboard transforms my tablet into a more robust, productive machine, especially for tasks like script writing. For a paper-like writing feel, I've tried 2 different screen protectors. First, the Doqo, which served me well for about a year, and more recently the Belmond. Both has delivered an exceptional note-taking experience, together with the S Pen. And speaking of the S Pen, it's become an indispensable tool. While I'm not an artist, the pen's responsiveness makes it a joy to use for handwritten notes. In fact, the S Pen Creator Edition that I also have has lasted me almost a year without needing a tip replacement. When I want to simply kick back and read, I rely on a magnetic case. Links down in the descriptions. I appreciate how it allows me to easily detach the tablet from the case when, well, I want to switch to the Doqo keyboard instead. To wrap things up, should you buy one? After a year of daily use, my Tab S9 has become an integral part of my digital life. Whether I'm jotting down thoughts in my journal, unwinding with games from my sofa, or connecting it to my Samsung smart monitor for serious video editing in LumaFusion, for instance, this tablet constantly delivers. Its versatility is remarkable, seamlessly transitioning from a casual entertainment device to a capable productivity tool. For a Tab S6 user contemplating an upgrade, as I was, the decision is clear. The S9 represents a significant leap forward that is absolutely worth the investment. It's not just a tablet. It has become my constant companion, ready to tackle whatever task I throw at it. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a lovely day. Bye!